Good morning, all. Just got my new toy. I got a new camera, so thought I'd come out and try it out and show you guys what the place is all about. The house. It's a nice sunny day out today, so I figured I'd try it out. And nice shot of the lake. Hello, and welcome to my crawl space. So, my problem is I've got a little leak in this pipe, like right there. You can't see it because it's dry right now, but I have to replace this whole fitting. But of course, we're getting storms, and who knows when that's going to come. And I'd eventually like to take a shower at some time. So right now, I'm just going to patch it. I'm going to wrap it up and put a hose clamp around it and slow it down and fix it when I get the parts. That means we get to tear all of this back apart and redo it again. Awesome. Well, this isn't going to be the most exciting video ever, but just I guess that's what this is for, showing you all the fun I get to have around here. Alright, well, obviously there's no space in there, and I'm basically just going to wrap it with electrical tape as a very, very short term try and fix, because again, I'd really like to shower. This probably isn't going to work too good. It's in a really terrible spot, and also about 30 degrees out here, so I don't expect much from this, but if it lets me shower and it slows this leak down just a little, we'll see. The really terrible spot problem is that it's on this side of the pressure tank, so if the tank is on and the pressure's on, it's peeing out. So I can do this, and then I can yeah, that's about it. This is going to be a short video, but I'm going to yeah, cooking pan, try and take up some of these drips, and we'll see what it does. I'm going to go turn this sucker on, I guess, and we'll figure it out. I'll be right back. So, I think you can probably just see in there, right here, it's gone from a pressure washer to just a slow drip, which I will definitely take. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. More to come.